affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a question I receive all the time from my YouTube channel. Someone asks about affiliate marketing. What do I know about it and how to go about it? Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are good. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a question I receive all the time from my YouTube channel. Someone asks about affiliate marketing. What do I know about it and how to go about it? So affiliate marketing is really when you are promoting someone else's products. Okay, then you get some percentage from that traffic, or you get some cut or discount, as the case may be, by doing this. So I want us to, first of all, for us to go and check what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much a modern day digital marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates a third-party publisher to generate traffic or lead of the company's product and services. So basically, the way this works is you can do this anywhere you live. I live in United Kingdom, but something I want to share with you now is we're going to do affiliation market from a product or company in Africa. Okay, so you can do this actually from anywhere. Somebody in Africa also can promote products from company here in United Kingdom or in US, as the case may be. So affiliation marketing is a new way of doing things. It's a digital marketing where you are promoting someone else's product or business, as the case may be, or services, and in return you get some percentage or commission. You get some cut from it. A lot of people do this on daily basis. A lot of people do this and receive their main source of income doing this. And the beauty of it is it's sort of a passive income when you are promoting someone else's product, and perhaps when you join affiliation link, for instance, you are promoting Dangote, or you are promoting Transcorp Hotel, or you are promoting Konga, or any company, or you are promoting Amazon, or you are promoting Printify, right, or Shopify. All these companies I'm listing now is company you can do affiliation market with them. Only what you need to do is, what you need to do is you need to register and join and be a partner with them, just like Amazon partnership. So, but there's also requirements. You need to have a presence online. You need to have like a website. You also need to have like traffic. You have followers. You need to have like a YouTube channel or blog or Facebook group. As far as internet is concerned, you need to build audience. You can also have a lot of Twitter followers. So this is actually how it goes. You need to have your followers, then join that affiliation, join that company, start promoting their business. A lot of people also promote affiliate link just by running ad. There are so many models to do about it. So affiliation market is, like I said, is just promoting someone else's product, and in return it's a digital way of marketing product, promoting it, right? And in return you get commission, and that commission, depending on how many people buy your product or buy the product from your link, you can receive massive commission doing. So this is actually how it goes. What I want to do now is to show you how we can join Konga affiliate program. But I like to do affiliate program, okay, so that my followers or my customers receive value from it. I'm not doing affiliate marketing for marketing sake. I like to do something in a way that it will be a symbiotic relationship. It will be beneficial to the consumer, at the same time also beneficial to myself. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. Okay, and the way you go about it, like I review a lot of tech product or household product from all my various YouTube channels. What I want to show you now is how you can start, make your place, kind of arrange stuff together, tell people, review product you have used before, and tell people about it, that this product you like it, tell the people the reason why you like it and you think it will be beneficial. this product can be durability, it can be the quality, it can be many things. So as far as, let's say you are promoting this book now, for you promote this book, for instance, then you put a link how someone can purchase this product. Let's say this book now you are promoting. Now I've read this book, Show Your Work, for instance, okay, where it talks about 10 ways to share your creativity to other people and get discovered. Now this book now helped me a lot. It talks about you don't have to be genius, it talks about think about the process, think process, not the product. Talk about think of the journey, not this destination. So you talk about the experience and stuff like that, instead of just focusing on money, three aspects of things straight away. They talk about value creation, things you are providing to a lot of people, is what people are getting from you. So you don't have to kind of self-centered. You need to think about other people, what they will gain from you, or things that how they will benefit from your knowledge, okay, by sharing your knowledge with a lot of people instead of being a human spam. Because a lot of people, sometimes some people will know something, instead of sharing it to a lot of people, they think, oh, I don't want to share this for people to know. But the more you are sharing your knowledge, you are being impactful to a lot of people. So this life is really about how many people you touch. You don't have to know something then keep quiet about it. So this is the reason why I'm sharing this information with you, and also I hope you find it beneficial. Please like, share and subscribe, and also share this video for a lot of people to know about it. So that being said, now this book, now I read this book, I bought this book from Amazon. Now the way it works, you go to Amazon and apply to join Amazon program, and when you apply to join Amazon program, they will give them your website or YouTube channel for them to do their own research to make sure you are who you say you are, and also that you have people following you, and at least you have presence online. Okay, so once they approve you, they will give you a link. This link is the link you will put in, okay, underneath where you wrote article about this book. So you put the link on your blog channel, then you copy the link and put it there. So when someone click this book link, it will take the person to Amazon, and if the person make a purchase within 30 days or so, you will receive a commission. Even if they didn't buy this book and bought something else, you will still receive your commission. This is actually how this works. So this is the model, the way it works, and this is something I'm doing. That's what I want to share with you. Okay, so now I want to look for a company in Africa, okay, in Nigeria to be precise, and to join the affiliate link and show you about it. So I want us to go to Konga.com. Konga is e-commerce store. Okay, so this is Konga, and it's pretty much e-commerce, so they sell a lot of tech products. Okay, so you can see a lot of Konga.com is a Nigerian #1 online shopping destination. We pride ourselves in having everything you could possibly use for life. Tech products from HP, iTech, Intel, Drugfield, Techno, Unilever, Samsung, Coca-Cola, Hawaii, Lenovo, Vivo, and Ring. You can see computer, power, glossary, and home and kitchen, mobile phone. So let's go to HP. Okay, you can see this is HP printer, HP DeskJet 2710 wireless printer. Now if you go to my YouTube channel, if you go to YouTube and type HP 2710, click enter. Okay, now this is HP 2710. So a lot of people have made video about it, so you keep, okay. Now this video, you can see changing ink cartridges for HP DeskJet. This is my video, Vinyl TV. Okay, so this is also HP DeskJet 2710 wireless printer. This video is over a year ago. So this is myself here, okay, reviewing this product. Okay, so what I'm sharing with you is something that you can do. You can replicate this. Sharing information with you, or for you to learn about it, is good for me, that I'm sharing this information. I want to be impactful, so that if you find this valuable and it resonates with you, you can replicate this. Only what you need to do is start promoting particular product you are passionate about. Show people how to do this. Okay, so now this printer now, okay, they are selling this printer 55,999 naira. Okay, now you can buy this product and they will send this product to your home address. Okay, so this is as good example. When you purchase this product, it can be the product that you are using at your home. You can open it up, unbox it, review. People like to see this. Then when you unbox this product, then the next thing you need to do is you need to come to the Konga website here and scroll down and look for affiliate. Okay, you can see make money on Konga. It's written here, make money on Konga. Become a Konga affiliate. So select here. So this is actually the way it works. So if you have an account already, then you put your username, password, and login. But we are doing this for the first time, so I want us to select join in. Okay, so this is just to show you the model. So then now this is the information we need to put here to sign in. Okay, so first of all, you need to say username is what you need to do. So you put your email address so that they will be able to contact you. Okay, so put your email, your first name. You can also use your company's name to do this. Okay, so put your first name and last name. Okay, now choose an ID. Okay, now the next thing is additional information. So additional information is where you live, the address, I'm putting is my home address here in UK. So it's just for you to understand that you can do this from anywhere. Okay, now it will ask you about your country. So you scroll from the country. When you select country, you need to scroll down to select the country you reside. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, you're in Nigeria, then put your state. So I'm just looking for United Kingdom. Okay, here we go. This is the United Kingdom. Then you put your telephone number. Okay. Now, promotion method, social media, pay advertising, blog or website. So I'm going to now, in this case, I can also use social media or blog. So I'm going to put my website. Okay, I'm going to select blog slash website. Okay. Now, if others specify, so like us, website URL. So I'm going to now go to my website, vineltv.com. Okay, so now this is my website. So you need to copy on top the URL. Okay, copy it, then go to Konga and paste it where it's written URL, website URL. Paste it. Okay, you can see it's there. Okay, now another, if others specify. Okay, so I'm going to also put YouTube channel. Okay, so just okay, then Vinet TV YouTube channel. Okay, now the next thing to do is okay, so now the next thing to do is click sign up. So now it's asking about state, so you select your state. Okay, so you need to also tick agree to terms and conditions. Once you tick agree to terms and conditions, the next thing to do, you need to click sign up. You can say welcome, you have successful sign up for affiliate. Please check your inbox. Here we go. an email with further instruction is on the way, and this is the email. Thank you for your interest in our affiliate program. Your registration has been collected and is currently being reviewed. Please note that we review every specific application manually, and your registration is awaiting for manual approval. Please be patient. After confirming your registration, you will receive one more email with all the necessary information to get started. Thank you. Sincerely, Konga.com affiliate manager. So this is something that I want to share with you. So this is the process you have to go. Hopefully, if they do their own due diligence, when they check on your details you giving them, okay, and if they're happy, they will approve it. And once they approve it, they will give you a link that you will put underneath the review all the products they are selling, you have purchased, or all the products you like. You can also run ad on that link. You can also promote that link from Pinterest or through Twitter. You can make it to go viral, and the more you are promoting it, the more people are using your link to make a purchase. It's also good for you, the more commission you receive. So, but this is the process, so I want to share with you, and this is something that you can be doing all the time. So a lot of people do this and receive their income passively. Okay, so this is something I want to share with you. Thank you very much indeed. If you like this video, help me share, subscribe, and smash the like button. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. Peace.